Hey, I wanted to take a few minutes to reintroduce myself again. I am Miss Christy, the Artistic Director here at Elite Performance Infusion Center. A few of the things that are important to me would be the safety in how our dancers train, along with making sure that it's a little bit individualized to each of our dancers because everybody comes in with their own things that we need to work around. Everybody is an individual and we should all have the same end goal. It's just the route we get there can be a little different. So, this next week, I want to talk about conditioning. I see dancers drilling jumps and pirouettes and a whole variety of things in the dance studio, and sometimes becoming frustrated because they're not achieving satisfactory results. A big reason I see this happen is because we haven't conditioned properly to do the moves that we need. Now, I'm not a personal trainer, I am a dance instructor, but with dance comes proper training for conditioning our body to be able to withstand the stuff that we are doing. That is part of dance. So this next week we're going to explore how to strengthen our bodies as well as how to implement better stretching techniques so we can do the stuff that is really much more of a challenge. Again, this is not the be all end all, but it should set you on a better path so you can hopefully get the moves down that you really want to be able to do. Conditioning is super important so we are dancing safely. If we drill the same movements over and over again and our body isn't really quite ready for that, we tend to see a lot more injury occur. And so when we condition, we want to try to make it so it's a little bit of preventative maintenance. It's never a promise, but the goal is there to try to keep certain things at bay. So I've seen dancers who have had things like hip tendonitis or really any kind of tendonitis, but especially in the hips, basically because they were forcing turnout where it didn't belong and they weren't conditioned to withstand that kind of pressure on their bodies. Tendonitis is sometimes just unavoidable. It is what it is, but that's a whole separate ball of wax. But there are certain things that you can do to kind of better prepare your body and train just smarter and safer. And that's the overall goal that we have here. Be sure to check back tomorrow as we start talking about all of that, and I will start giving you some demonstrations. I will see you then.